If you want to make Google Chrome safer for children or younger family members, parental controls can help you manage what websites can be visited, control browsing activity, and create a more secure online experience. The good news is that you do not need advanced computer skills to set this up. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to set parental controls on Chrome in 2026, step by step, even if you have zero technical knowledge. Just follow along carefully, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make Chrome safer and more family-friendly. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome opens, look at the top right corner and click on your profile picture or profile icon. If you're already signed into Chrome using a Google account, you can continue to the next step. If not, sign in with a Google account because parental control tools work best when Chrome is connected to Google services. Now we are going to use Google Family Link, which is one of the easiest and safest ways to manage parental controls on Chrome. Open a new browser tab and search for Google Family Link. This tool allows parents to supervise browsing, manage screen time, and control online activity for child accounts. If you are setting this up for a child, you may need to create or connect a supervised Google account. Follow the instructions on your screen and choose the child account you want to manage. This process may look slightly different depending on your device and Google account settings, but the steps are usually simple and guided. Once Family Link is connected, open the Parental Control settings. Here you will find browsing restrictions and website management options. Look for Chrome or web browsing controls. You may see settings such as allowing all sites, trying to block explicit websites, or approving only selected websites. Choose the option that matches your needs. If you want stronger parental controls, choose the option that only allows approved websites. This means the child can visit only websites you personally approve. If you want more flexibility, use the option that blocks explicit or inappropriate content while still allowing normal browsing. You can also manually block specific websites. Look for website filters or approved and blocked sites. Type the website address you want to block and save your settings. This is useful if there are certain websites or platforms you do not want accessed through Chrome. Another helpful feature is activity monitoring. Family Link can show browsing and app activity so you can understand how Chrome is being used. This does not mean watching every click, but it can help parents stay informed and guide safer internet habits. After finishing the setup, close Chrome completely and open it again. Then test the restrictions by visiting a blocked website or searching for restricted content. If Chrome blocks access or asks for approval, your parental controls are working correctly. So that's the easiest way to set parental controls on Chrome in 2026. The main steps are signing into Chrome, connecting Google Family Link, choosing browsing restrictions, blocking unwanted websites, and testing everything afterward. These settings help create a safer and more controlled browsing experience for children without making Chrome difficult to use. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Chrome tutorials and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.